2018 Ford C-Max. I'm doing the taillight bulb and actually the taillight assembly. Mine's cracked here and it's letting condensation in here. It's getting all like a bunch of water and moisture on the inside. So what you want to do is come over here. There's a panel right here. You can pull this off by doing that little button tab near the rear door. In here are these beige little spinny plastic bolts. You can undo these with your fingers. Careful not to drop these. If you drop these, it's a really pain to get them back. So don't drop these. That's probably the most important part of this whole job, is don't drop these. Unscrew these, pull these out. There's only two. So get them out there. Get my other one. And if you do drop it and lose it, you could find common nut to put on there. So it's not the end of the world. You can probably just find a nut in your garage or something, smaller one to use to tighten it down. This electrical connector, you're gonna squeeze the little button on here and pull it off. This button is hecka tiny. I don't know why it's hecka tiny, and this thing's really stubborn, but it's this little button on the end. You gotta have like tiny little fingers. I don't know who this car was made for, but go ahead and get that off. I used you could use a little flathead to kind of push on the button part while you pull it out. Don't pull on the wires because you'll rip the wires out the back of the connector. So once those are out, you gotta wiggle this a lot and pull it straight out. Don't pull it to the side. Pull it straight out. Pull it straight out like that. Don't pull it like this way, or else you're gonna break something on there. So just pull it straight out, and then it should just come off. It might be stubborn. Here's where your bulbs are located if you're just doing your blinker or your taillight or brake light. There are these little plastic tabs. Be gentle. There's like 3 of them. Pull them back gently and then lift this little panel out. There's one over here too. Real gentle. And then this will come out, and then those are your bulbs right there. Careful with this gasket. And yeah, so how you get these out is you just grab them, gently wiggle them up and pull them out. I hate to use the word stubborn again, but these could be a little stubborn, especially as the car gets older. So pull these out. This one's a dual filament, which means there's 2 little coils in there. Make sure they don't give you a single filament. Sometimes they give you the wrong bulb. I'm doing the whole taillight assembly. This is from Ford. It comes with new bulbs and everything in it. It's ready to go. Here's my part number. And like I said, this is from Ford. This is the right rear taillight assembly. So I got the little plastic stuff off. I'm gonna put it in. The pins, just line the pins up, gently wiggle this in. Now what's really important is you got to make sure this is where it needs to be, because when you close this door, the hatch, sometimes people have it too far out and it breaks the lens right away. So once that's in, we're gonna put these little beige little tower pins, I don't know what they call them, probably have some weird name for them. Tighten those down, make them snug, pretty snug. You don't got to go mega tight, you don't want to break them. And then once you got those in, we'll put our connector back in. It goes in only one way. So there we go, get that in. It should snap in. You should hear like a little click. And then we'll put this little panel on. When you go to shut your rear hatch, make sure you're not going to hit your taillight assembly. Some people, and trust me, you just want to make sure it's going to clear. But that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.